Hey there, Halloween enthusiasts! Get ready to elevate your spooky season with our 9 sheets Halloween iron-on transfers for t-shirts, featuring iconic horror movie character designs that are sure to light up the Halloween atmosphere. This package includes 9 sheets of high-quality, easy-to-use heat transfer vinyl, plus a handy instruction guide, making it perfect for creating special Halloween apparel and accessories. With sizes ranging from 6 to 9 inches, these decals are made from durable vinyl that adheres seamlessly to fabric, ensuring they won't peel, crack, or fade even after washing. Just remember to wash them inside out after the first 24 hours. Whether you're using a household iron or a heat transfer machine, these ready-to-press DTF transfers make it a breeze to add a touch of frightful fun to your clothes. Perfect for customizing Halloween costumes, horror movie t-shirts, hoodies, pajamas, bags, hats, and more, these versatile iron-on transfers can be applied to a wide variety of materials. So, unleash your creativity and make this Halloween unforgettable with our horror-themed iron-on decals, designed to bring a spine-chilling twist to your DIY projects. Happy haunting! Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.